Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to transfer funds from one Poloniex account to another. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to transfer funds from one Poloniex account to another using the Poloniex mobile app. The first thing to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device, just like I have done right here, and if prompted, just follow through with the prompt to log in. Now from the home screen, tap on the wallet icon usually found in the main navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. And it takes you here. Now you have at the top corner of the screen, you have overview, spot, futures, and strategy and copy. So select spot or select futures to transfer whatever asset you want to transfer. Okay, so let's say I want to use spot. So this is futures and I have USDT in here. And my main balance is 0.0000. So if you want to add, of course, you have to deposit. So deposit some amount of money or deposit some amount of cryptocurrency in here so that you can have enough money for this purpose. So let's say I take it to spot, and then from spot I click on transfer, and transfer here I have my account from. So select if it's from spot or if it is from, click on spot and check from spot or copy trading account, and so select futures or copy trading account. Then the next thing you have is the coin, and you have the amount. So either enter the specific cryptocurrency amount or just go ahead and click on all. And once you're done, just go ahead and select transfer to proceed. Once you click on transfer, if you have a two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you may be prompted to enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator app to confirm the transaction. And after confirmation, the funds will be transferred to the recipient's Poloniex account, and you'll receive a notification confirming that the transfer was successful. So let's say your account has been verified. Once you click on transfer, then you may be asked to enter the address of the account that you want to transfer these to. All right, so that's pretty much it. But now we have very limited features because our account has not been verified, and that's pretty much the process. Now to verify the transfer, you can go to the transaction history at the top right corner of the transfer page to check your transfer history. Now there are no details in here, so I'm just go ahead and click on back. Beware of any transfer limits that may apply to your account type on Poloniex, and always double check the recipient's account information to avoid errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.